Hi, I'm Ray and I'm in the greenhouse today and it's a bit of a wet day, but we are in January. Well, last week I made a video of where you could buy your seed potatoes from the UK, from the local high street stores, and today I'm going to show you what we bought, where we bought them, and then how we're going to chit them. So let me show you what we're going to do. So we actually purchased our potatoes from Wilco's and always had good results, and many other people have good results from Wilco's. And the first ones I got was Charlotte, and I've had Charlotte now for 2 years and they've been really good. These have just started to sprout, which is quite good, and the quantity, there's quite a few in that bag. The second one we got is Nicola, and I believe Digwell Green Fingers on YouTube has mentioned Nicola, and has mentioned there's these being a backup for Charlotte's, and there's plenty of potatoes in there. They're looking really good, looking really healthy. So this is Nicola. So both of these are first and second earlies. And also on my main crop I had Maris Piper, and I've had good results about Maris Piper, and I don't normally tend to do a main crop, but I'm actually considering this year to do a main crop in the allotment beds. I've got bigger beds this year, more space, and it'd be great to see some in the beds. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to chit my potatoes. So we're going to show you how we chit our Charlotte potatoes, and you can use any kind of tray. You can use a cell tray, or you can even use just a mushroom tray. Line it with some newspaper and it will absorb any condensation, any dampness. Or you can use egg trays, and we've got a stack full here, which would be really useful. So we're just looking at our potatoes. We get each potato, and we have a look at the potato, and if we look at each one, we can see there's a base and we've got some eyes, and the eyes need to be facing up, so we just stick them in the tray. We look for the eyes, so that's the bottom, eyes on the top. And we're also looking at the potato, whether they're firm, whether they're good at the base, and then there we go. We're just going to go through the whole box, checking them as we go. And these mushroom trays give nice space, and it stops the potatoes from sweating. If we left in a bag, they'll grow sprouts out, and then it'd be hard to get them out. So so that's quite soft, so I might just put that one aside. Once the potatoes have been sorted, then they need a cool, light space. If they sit in a dark space, they will produce great long sprouts, and we don't want long sprouts. If we do manage to grow some long sprouts, you can just knock them off and start again. But commercial growers don't do chitting. It's only us gardeners that like something to do, and it does give the potato a bit more of a better chance in the earlier. So that's a big one, that is. It's going to have its own hum. What we're ideally looking is for 3 or 4 chits per potato, and if there is any more we can just knock them off. So there we go. that's our Charlotte potatoes, and also best to keep the label so we know what we are. So when we're talking chits, we're looking at this potato, and this potato has been chitting for nearly, well, over a year, and that's been in the greenhouse. And because it's had plenty of light, the shoots haven't become too long and scraggy, so that's what we're looking for, is short purple sprouts. And these can be potted out in March and then harvested in June, July. And these are going to go into pots, containers, and we looking forward to the new Charlotte salad potatoes. That's wonderful. So there we go, one tray full of seed potatoes. These are going to go into my bedroom, on top of the wardrobe, out the way, frost free, and plenty of light. That's all we need. Job done. So let me know in the comments, have you chitted your potatoes yet? And what varieties have you got? Be interesting to see the differences. Rain's coming down a bit harder now, so I'm going to get these indoors, get them in the light, and start them chitting off. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers.